Hey there, this is Sam from Ghlsaaskits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add custom navigation menu on Artixo AI. So if you are running your white label agency into the Artixo AI, then you may need to add the custom link. Okay, so let me show you step by step how you can add your custom link into the navigation of your user dashboard. Okay, so first of all, just log into your agency dashboard. Here I am on the agency dashboard, and from the left navigation you will see the option called custom menu, and then just click on that and click add menu. Let me add one of them. Okay, just click this add menu and then give it a name. Let's say, for example, custom menu. Okay, so I just added the link called custom menu and just put your link, and here you have option to choose the icon for this link. We have some built-in icon like this. Okay, choose any of them, and then you have two options, like you can open the link into the new tab, or you can embed right inside the dashboard. Okay, so let me embed right inside the dashboard and click save. Okay, once you do this, uh, then switch to the user dashboard to see this. Okay, you can see the custom menu added. Okay, here once I clicked, this website is opening right inside the Artixo AI dashboard, your white label user dashboard. Okay, so this way you can add custom menu inside the Artixo AI white label so that your user only see in the menu. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, then feel free to subscribe our channel, and also you can get the link of Artixo AI white label into the description of this video.